Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the cell cycle in detail. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the phases of cell cycle, interphase and M-phase. Now we'll discuss the interphase in detail with the discussion of the subphases. So let's start with the same. Interphase, as we have discussed, the most active phase. Okay, and this particular phase is subdivided into three phases. In this phase, cell prepare itself for the division, where the preparation are going to be done. What kind of preparation? Cell double its content. Whatever the proteins, enzymes, RNA, organelles, they are going to be get double. Even the DNA content. ठीक है? So वो सब preparation interphase में पूरी हो जाएगी. Means the interphase is preparing the cell to enter into the M phase. Got it? So let's talk about the interphase phases. The one, G1 phase. Second we have S phase. And third we have G2 phase. So one by one we'll talk about all three. G1 phase is the first phase of interphase. This is the phase between the DNA synthesis phase and the mitotic phase. ठीक है, माइटोसिस हो गई, सेल डिवाइड हो गई, नेक्स्ट सेल डिवीजन की प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए एक गैप है बीच में, यानी कि डीएनए के डिवाइड होने में और सेल के डिवाइड होने के बीच में एक गैप है, फर्स्ट गैप. दिस इज द G1. ओके, सो दिस इज द फेज in between the M phase, mitotic phase and the DNA synthesis phase. So this is mainly marked by the cell growth. In this particular phase, cell is metabolically active and it continues to grow. And when we are talking about growth, so what kind of growth is shown by this? How the cell is preparing itself? What kind of changes are noticed over here? So the very first thing is cell will prepare, cell will make more organelles, fine. Cell will make protein, okay, proteins, RNA. ठीक है, now cell will make ATP, which is required during the further processes. Okay, cell will make ATP synthesis is going to take place. Overall we can say the protoplasm is going to be get double, increase. Okay, so protoplasm increases, cell size is going to increase. First phase of the growth, during the interphase where the preparation are done, ठीक है, maximum growth within the cell is shown in this particular phase. ठीक है, जितनी भी तैयारियां करनी है सेल को वो यहाँ पे हो रही है. And now it is going to be ready for the DNA replication. So after G1, S phase, synthesis phase. So this G1 phase can be called as pre-DNA replication phase also. ठीक है, DNA की replication से पहले वाला phase है हमारा. नेक्स्ट एस फेज। S is for synthesis. So this is the synthesis phase also. Synthesis of what? DNA. So this is DNA synthesis phase. Fine. Or DNA replication. Replication means copying of that DNA. Replication phase. So this particular phase is marked by what kind of changes? The very first which is mentioned, replication of DNA and synthesis of histone proteins. Basic protein made up of basic amino acids, histone proteins. Okay, DNA plus histone protein will going to make the chromatin material, the complete chromosome further. So replication is going to take place in the S phase. Fine. Other than that, at the end of the S phase, centriole. Centrioles are what? Centrioles which help in the cell division. They are the characteristic of animal cells. They are present in the case of animal cells. Centriole replicate. The replication will also occur at the end of the S phase. Okay, this will going to further help in formation of spindle fiber. Okay, so end of the S phase, centriole replicate. Now, when we talk about this replication of DNA, what this exactly means? For example, this is the double-stranded DNA we have. Helical structure. Right? So, very first these strands are going to be get unwound. Okay, ladder-like structure. After this, these two strands which are bonded together by these hydrogen bond will be get separated. Bonds break हो जाएंगी और ये दो अलग-अलग strands बन जाएंगे हमारे पास. ठीक है? In this way. The material which is required to make this new strand is already available in the cytoplasm. So, from there, for example, A, T, C, G, this is the sequence of the older one. So, the complementary sequence will be here when the new strand will form. So, in this way, the content of the DNA is doubled. Okay, this way this DNA get replicated. For example, this was the DNA earlier. After the replication, it become this way. So, during the S phase, DNA replication start or take place. It take place during the S phase. Got it? Next, we have G2 phase. Growth second phase, gap 2 phase. Remaining growth will take place in this particular phase. This is also known as post DNA replication phase. ठीक है, DNA की replication होने के बाद का phase और प्री माइटोटिक phase. ठीक है, माइटोसिस से शुरू होने का phase. Now what is going to occur under this phase? What changes will take place? Special material which is required for the division of the cell, that is going to be get synthesized over here. It means simply G1 में मैक्सिमम प्रिपरेशन हो गई थी, ठीक है, किस चीज के लिए? सेल को डिवाइड करवाने के लिए. The content of the DNA get doubled in the S phase. It means chromosome number will not increase, only the DNA content will double. Afterwards, whatever some kind of preparations are required, then that is done in this particular phase. Or we can say the cell is actually prepared in this actual preparation. Final preparation is done in this phase. Okay, final preparation in G2 phase. So special material is synthesized. What type of special material? For example, tubulin protein. This tubulin protein will help in making microtubule, and that will help in formation of spindle fiber, which play a very important role during the cell division. So we have discussed about subphases of interphase G1, S and G2. In some cases where the cells they are not going to divide, or we can say which not generally follow the division phase, they undergo or they enter into the G0. Instead of entering into G1, some cells they enter into G0, or it is termed as quiescent phase also. G0 we can say. At this particular phase, cell undergo resting. Okay. For example, the heart cells, the liver cells, neuron. Okay, neuron they were not going to divide, so they have a permanently they entered into the quiescent phase, G0 phase. And these cells like heart cell, liver cell, whenever they required, it depends upon the organism requirement, the cell division is required for the specific cell or not, accordingly the cell will divide. So at this particular phase, the cell remain metabolically active, but it will not multiply in number, it will not going to divide, proliferation nahi hoga. Okay, it will remain in rest. This is all about the interphase. In next lecture, we'll talk about M phase. Thank you.